In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a waterproof winter work glove. Check these out, everybody. So what this is like a rubberized top winter glove that's got fuzzy liner on them. They're waterproof, they're cold resistant, they're abrasion resistant. No ironing, no bleaching, there's a little bit of, so they're double layer, fully dipped latex, 100% waterproof, keeps hands dry in the wet conditions. The lining is an acrylic terry with brush technologies. How about that, everybody? Let's just take them out of the package here and go over them. They came just like this. I took them out and tried them on. I did get mine in an XL, by the way. I seem to wear a large or extra large on a lot of my gloves, and I think these things fit very true to size. Looking over them here, they kind of look like a rubber glove, but they're very high quality. They have a Velcro close ring right there, but here's the thing that was the most impressive. They have this fuzzy liner on the inside here, and check this out. So when I'm putting them on right here, easy to slide on, grip goes over. I tested these out. I stuck my hands down in buckets of water. It was very dry, but the thing is, these are super warm. Maybe they're a little too warm. They are not breathable because they are they're waterproof gloves, so they don't have breathability to them. So your hands will sweat a little bit in them. But if you're outside and you're in a wet environment, whether it's snow, ice, or just a lot of rain, and you need to be handling a lot of wet things, and you want to keep your hands and fingers nice and dry, this is something I recommend because this grip works really well while it's wet. These are something I'm going to have amongst my travels to be using on anytime I'm working on something outside where my hands might get cold and wet. There you go, everybody. That's all I got on the Natural Rise waterproof gloves. See you on the next video.